What is this? This is in the middle of the countryside in Ireland at night time in Roscommon. It's about 4:15 a.m. and the outside light is on outside the cottage. And these guys are flying around. Are they bats or night birds or... Wow, it's really interesting. They're absolutely beautiful and they're flying so fast. Wow, imagine if I open the door. It's fascinating. Oh, fascinating. Isn't it amazing? Night. Natural life. So beautiful. Mesmerizing. Who would have thought? And look who's here on the window. Oh, well, I can't really see him because he's right up close. That line there. A little snaily got all the way up from the ground up to the window. These guys are amazing. Magic.